Feel the waves cut through me.
I'm starting off my braiding process by opening the packs of hair, and I think I used about 13 packs of hair, and I just used the Kanekalon brand. If you're from Atlanta, I don't know how it is in any other city, but if you're from Atlanta, I get them from my beauty supply store, and it's 3 for $5, so you get 3 packs for $5. But I don't know if it's like that in every city because in Statesboro it's $1.99 per pack, so it just depends on where you're from. So I'm first starting off by stretching the hair out. And you want to make sure you do this step because when you braid your hair, you don't want to have blunt cut ends. So this just makes your hair like a more feathered look, so it goes from thick to thin once you get to the ends. So you just grab the hair in your palm, I guess, and just start pulling each strand. You don't want to pull too much at a time, but if you pull too little, it might take a long time. But once you get in the flow of it, it's pretty simple and fast. So now that I pulled it all, I'm just going to wrap it around my finger and take my wig brush or whatever you want to call the brush and just brush it out just to make sure that I remove any naps and tangles and all of that. So when I braid my hair, it'll be a smooth process. And quick disclaimer, y'all, I mentioned this in the end of the video, but don't mind my room. I'm in the process of moving into my new apartment, so that's why my room looks junky. As you can see, my hair is already rubber band off. So yeah, so now that I have all my hair feathered, I'm mixing burgundy hair into my hair. So I just feathered it all and then mixed the brown, it's one bead and burgundy together. So now I'm just taking the desired amount that I want for each braid and I'm going to begin braiding. So you take the hair and you split it into two, but make sure one side is thicker than the other. So that's the thin side and then that's the thick side. And then you wrap the thick side with the thin side. I'm hoping this making sense, y'all. I'm trying my best to explain, but I don't know how to explain how to braid. So if you don't really know how to braid, I would suggest you find a video that will teach you how to braid because I don't know how to explain or teach someone how to braid. You can't really tell by the way my hands are positioned, but you split each section into two. So my real hair is in a rubber band and I split my hair into two pieces. So you can't see that here, but once I get to the top, you'll be able to see because I made sure I recorded it so you guys can understand what I was talking about. So yeah, so now that I did all that, I'm just braiding the hair into my hair. So here it is again at the top of my head, like I said. Sorry. You wrap the thick side with the thin side, and then I realized that this braid was gonna be a little too small, so I added a little bit more hair in before I started braiding. Cause you want to make sure you keep all your braids around the same size. You don't want some big, some little, some medium. So just make sure you pay attention to how much hair you're grabbing for each braid. But yeah, so you wrap the thin side with the thick side or the whatever, just wrap the hair together. And then you grab the hair and now you're about to see me split my hair into two. So you see how I split it into two like that? So you're going to start braiding with the top piece and then as you're braiding, you kind of, it's like a very small cornrow if you know how to do that. So you start with the top and then as you're braiding down, you grab the second piece in and just keep on going down. And this actually helps your braids stay on your head without it sliding down. I mean, some people know how to do it like regular, but I'm not one of those people. So yeah, it just helps me braid without the weave sliding off my hair.
Okay, so I'm finally done braiding all of my hair. So now I'm about to just go through and scissor off the extra hair, like this part right here. This is not my hair, y'all. I made sure it wasn't my hair. So I want to just cut that off so it don't be sticking out and stuff when I dip it. So I'm about to just trim my braids up and then we'll get ready to dip the ends. Okay, so I can't see the rest of these really, so I'm about to go in the bathroom and I'll be back once I finish scissoring. So be right back. Don't mind this box, y'all, or my bleachy shirt. It's just a lot going in here. I just moved into my apartment. I just got back to school and I just moved to my apartment, so everything is still kind of everywhere, but it's kind of coming together. But I just wanted to show y'all how long the braids are. And I do have on shorts, so they stop a little past my tailbone. So that's that. And this is how they look to the front. And show you again compared to my shorts. So they stop a little past my waist. So now I'm about to go dip them. I'm about to go boil my water and I'll show y'all me dipping them, I guess.
So after I was done dipping my hair, this was the end result, y'all. So I hope you guys understood everything that I did. If not, comment down below any questions. But thanks for watching.